So here you can see that I got a Google Sheet document opened up and I'm on my full screen mode. If I were to go around over here on top and click this, then you can see that I can see my browser. I can go around over here onto the browser settings, and of course I can go around into full screen. But another thing is that you can even go more deeper. You can just see the data right here. So in order to do that, you can go around onto view right here, and here you can see that there's another option for full screen. And if I were to click here, then what happens is that it hides out everything. And it says controls are hidden, press escape to show controls right here. So you can see that now nothing else disturbs the data right here. You can just see the data and nothing else. And if I were to press escape right here, then there you go. You go back right here. You can go around right here on back from the full screen from the browser and just view the data from over here as well. So you still see the address bar and everything, and you can press escape right back to get back to the default view. And that is how you can use the full screen feature inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.